If you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in CS2, follow these steps to adjust and optimize your settings for better gaming experience. Step 1. Access the graphics settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the settings option, then select graphics to access the graphics settings menu. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the graphics settings menu, find the resolution option. Choose a resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If performance is an issue, consider lowering the resolution. Step 3. Modify graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality settings, which may include options like low, medium, high, or custom. Start with medium settings to balance performance and visuals and adjust based on your system's capabilities. Step 4. Enable or disable VSync. Check the VSync option in the graphics settings. Enabling VSync can help reduce screen tearing but may impact performance. Test both settings to see which works better for your setup. Step 5. Apply changes and restart. After making your adjustments, click Apply to save the changes. It may be beneficial to restart the game to ensure all settings take effect properly. By following these steps, you can effectively adjust and optimize your graphics settings in CS2 for a smoother gaming experience.